Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a macaw. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw the head and the body. After that, let's draw the wings. Now the tail and the feet. Now draw the eye and then the beak and the feathers. Using a black marker or a black pen or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.